how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, under the For Professionals tab, tap on the Business Tools and Controls option and you will see the Switch Account Type option. Tap on that and further tap on the Switch to Personal Account option, and further, in the pop-up that appears, tap on the Switch to Personal Account option again, and with this your account will be switched back to personal account. So this is how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.